shit. Yo, what's up? What's up, G's? What's up, everybody? We back again with this. I'm here with my bro. September. Uh, nah. Lit. Okay. Great. Mhm. Yeah, man. So I was I think I'm gonna share it quite. Way better. So another bell, another. See how it is. Yo, what's up? What's up? What's good? What's good? So it's been a while, in fact. It's been a while since I did this shit, but we out here. We live. We live. We live. And yeah, man. Hopefully we can get a few subscribers right there, baby. So 29 la pause à 15. The factory. Wa bona go gola jwang? That shit. Yeah. But it's cool. I hope I never like so it's probably gonna be audible. Now I'm gonna check it. I gotta control you can actually hear it. Peace out, peace out, peace out. Peace out, peace out, peace out, peace out, peace out, peace out. I'm gonna get away here. Give out our share of it. How audible it is. And then what's on my face? Nothing is on my face, bro. It's a beard, bro. Daniel, it's a beard, my friend. I don't know what are you seeing? What are you seeing that I'm not seeing, my brother? What are you seeing that I'm not seeing, bro? A bug? Man, ain't no bug on my face. There ain't no bug. No bugs here. Fresh cut, clean ass band, bro. Caesar P. Probably zoom in, my brother. Zoom in, zoom in. Zoom in. But anyway, how was your September, gents? How was your September? Was it good? Was it lit? Was it great? Was it meh?
The ending was bad.
The ending was bad.
The weathery ending was bad.
Well, it's South Africa. It's bad. Zoom in like a bee. Good luck with that, bro. If you can zoom in like a bee, then yeah. Good luck with that.
It's raining, raining. All the way it's raining.
So basically,
We out shit.
I wanted to like um, talk content creation, but I want to check first of it. Let me just check if we have like good audio. We were supposed to like use. Oh, he can hear me. Oh, he can hear me for real. Let me see. Yeah, videos, music videos, a movie, and a music. We're supposed to drop a whole bunch of stuff, but then feels like we're not there yet. So it's best that we take our time and perfect it. You know. So that's what I'm trying to do at this moment with the guys, with the boys, with the boys. Let me hear. Yeah, it's audible as hell, bro. Alright, cool. Sing me a song, man. If you can subscribe or send me money, I'll do that shit, bro. I'll sing you a song right now. Some Elvis. I don't even know a single song by Elvis, bro. Which Elvis song would you want me to sing? Tell me a song of Elvis, and I'll try and get it. JC, how's it? How are you? Are you good? Where you from? Love me tender. Love me tender. Hmm.
Nigga, you don't know any other
I don't even know that.
songs. We watched the biopic.
Love me
and still
tender.
don't know any songs.
Love me sweet. Love me nice. I don't even know what it says, bro. I'm just singing it. Yeah.
Fresh cut.
The last time we did these last time we did these YouTube whatever lives, um we had people coming in and they were making orders and stuff like do this, do that. Ah, I don't know what you guys have in mind because I just asked you guys to go to. How's your September? Everybody's saying man, lit, great. That's cool. How's your October looking up?
Living my meat.
Men's dropping beats. Yeah, we're doing good, man. Doing good.
Hands dropping beats.
We're doing good, bro. We're doing good. Fucking so should
Same nigga.
Self-conscious. How can I on a gear? I tell
Bro,
king
no.
gear. I get tell king. I get tell king. I don't have money. Mhlang nginale mara kunetjhelete. Mhlang nginale ntjhelete. Okay, ke look. Why o sa etse ka ntho ka matsoho a hao? Anke go tseba o lokise. So ha o sa lokise. Ha ke tsebe ke eng fetsa.
ntho ane wa bona e ka reng bo e etsang motoro rona
Yeah, yes. On a Google.
malome feng
On a Google dala
ke batla o
alas.
iwane fela wa ka mona ke ya ka mona
Yeah, yes. Ba.
wa bona ka mona rona ke batla ka mona rona
La le ka ide fatshe shebo ya.
ana
Yeah, me ayo kama.
yes malome
Ama
ngeke
na ko tayo bo. Oh,
ala wana
chala. I have no idea, my brother. My brother, I do not have an idea of where he got it. But you know where Isabella, you know. Hey man, Daniel. Okay, Daniel Miller. Daniel Miller is still in here, so let's talk, Daniel Miller.
how you doing
I'm good, man. Mr. Red and Mr. Blue. Miller. Mr. Red and Mr. Blue. I think he's in. I want him to get. Hey, how such a unless. Oh man. Kutala listulo ze. Tui. Let's see. The okay, I post there, and then it's held. Uh-huh. Got it. Hmm. Yeah, if you comment something that's inappropriate on this shit, bro, it's gonna like cut you out. So don't comment anything inappropriate on this shit. That's how YouTube works. So this year we had a lot of ideas that we wanted to like put out, from albums, from you know content series and all that shit, but we didn't do it because of lack of organization. Lack of organization, lack of finances, schedules, and yeah. So of course the music is still there. We have a lot of music that's ready to be dropped and released to the masses, and we're still working on a whole lot of content and shit. But sometimes the whole, oh my god, I'm gonna get text for days now. But yeah, the whole thing of like trying to make content as consistently as possible is incredibly stressful, and I guess maybe that's the thing that kind of stopped us somehow. And this guy's disappearance, he disappeared for a long time. Jamela, another. You disappeared, nigga. This guy disappeared. He
you gotta
disappeared
disappear in life. You
for
gotta
a very
disappear.
long time.
Discuss. You have to discuss.
Aye.
Tibiska. Exe.
Exe. It
Tibiska.
so yeah.
I'm gonna go to my own.
It's deeper than
Man,
rap,
I'm back.
bro.
I'm
It's deeper than
back.
rap.
Everybody has
Jesus is coming. Nobi. Jesus is coming. Are you guys ready? Well, if he's coming, then we are ready.
When
We're
is he
definitely
coming?
ready.
We've
What
been
time is he?
waiting.
What time is he showing up?
We've
Cause
been
yo,
waiting now.
what time is he showing up? Cause we're ready. We're just waiting for him to come through, and then we're gonna do some
Pull
really.
up.
We're gonna do some really huge prayer up for him.
We got a beat
We're gonna rap.
for him.
Jesus back, and I can say that I'm back with a crack. Looking like I had a little long slack. Mnqobi uNtsakethu.
Bigger than Jesus.
Mnqobi, my brother.
We're a church call.
Are you a church goer, my brother? And if you're a church goer, can you pray for us? Nah, it's well. It's well.
Leave him on red. Leave him on red.
Leave him on red.
Nice man.
I'm fun. Everybody's saying meh. Everybody's saying meh on this September. Dude, September is my birth month, bro. So how did you guys not enjoy that month? That month is
Meh.
incredible. We had Fantastic Four drop.
Yes.
We have Fantastic Four,
Superman.
Superman dropped. Those were good, bro. There we go again.
Superman was mid. Mid. I didn't say it was bad. I said it was mid.
It's not mid, Mfana.
It's mid.
That's an epic. How was Superman? That was a great movie, Mfana.
Nah. It was good.
This is a true fan of what you call this guy?
I'm a
Snyder.
Bros fan.
This is a Snyder fan, bro.
Look,
You can,
Man of Steel.
I
Epic.
knew it. I
It
knew
was
it.
epic. The movie was epic. It showed Superman.
And they didn't show Superman
This
on
one
this
showed
one.
Clark Kent dressed as Superman.
Oh man. Uh,
No, it was good. It was watchable. I didn't say it was bad. It was good.
the fact that we experience Lex Luthor, like real Lex Luthor on his peak Mfana, on his hating ass peak Mfana, extreme hating Mfana. That was incredible, dude.
That guy's a hater. I
He's
never
a
understand
hater.
that guy's hate for Superman.
Lex is a hater. He even confessed straight up to his face, like, man, I hate you. I don't like you, man.
The biggest hater.
It's like, how do we say? It's like, Lex, you're driven by hate. If it's so obvious you're envious. And then Fana is like, of course. Of course
Yeah,
I'm envious.
yeah, he does look like Marcelo, doesn't he?
What? Who's
Oh,
Marcelo?
Marcelo
Football.
from
Oh
playing for
man.
Real Madrid.
Oh
He's a very
yeah.
good defender.
That's me, bro.
Marcelo.
Marcelo. For Real Madrid, ne?
Yeah,
Yeah.
he had hair like
The last time that I heard of him was on Real Madrid.
think
I used to
he
play. I used to play.
retired.
Yeah, from Brazil. I used to play UEFA UEFA Champions League '06.
Yeah.
It had like Marcelo. It had
Peak Real Madrid squad.
yeah, like
Benzema and
dude Benzema. It had, the squad that I liked was Barcelona.
this nigga doesn't watch football.
I do watch football,
Which
but
club
not
do you
not now. I don't watch
Which
now
club do you
football. Now, I don't watch anything
So
now.
why I get
I
already?
used to watch it, so I'm still a fan,
No, the
bro.
question is which club, not which club did you feel?
Barcelona. I'm going for Barcelona, bro. 100%.
No, I'm a Real
100%.
Madrid fan. I'm still mad that
Okay,
Atletico Madrid beat us 5-2. Hi, 5-2, dog.
5-2.
5-2.
I
Katlapa in on the Atletico Madrid had
Atletico.
like 2 wins in this season. Only 2 wins.
the match that was playing this weekend.
Yeah, dog. 5-2.
Yeah, that was deep. They even denied one goal. Yeah, I saw that.
Like you want to get shit.
and he's like, I'm not doing anything. Okay. How did I know about that game, in fact? How did I know about the Atletico game? This guy. I know about the Atletico game, bro.
No, I'm a Real Madrid fan, dog. I'm a Madrid fan.
Breakless gaming says Marcelo, Ramos, Benzema, Cristiano, Bale.
Yeah.
Now I'm talking not for now. I'm talking about Adebayo, Samuel Eto'o. I'm talking about Didier Drogba. I'm talking about the guys that are retired. The guys that are like, right now, they're only coaching. They're only doing like, who's that other guy? Deco. Do you guys remember Deco? Do you guys know Deco? Deco. There was this other guy who was a midfielder with Deco. Iniesta. Do you guys know Iniesta? 8-2 Bayern. Ooh, that must hurt, bro. That must really hurt. Go to Nigeria and become a superstar. 2W short Bayo. God damn.
Liverpool cooked Real Madrid 2-0. I'm a Liverpool fan, so that one doesn't hit me because I'm a Liverpool fan too. Like whichever one I was still whichever one I was still because I'm a Liverpool fan. I'm a Real Madrid fan, a Liverpool fan, an Orlando Pirates fan.
Orlando Pirates. God damn, bro.
3 clubs.
Do you know that I have a T-shirt? I have an Orlando Pirates T-shirt, but I am not an Orlando Pirates fan. I actually like that. I like the T-shirt. I like the Orlando Pirates T-shirt, but I'm not an Orlando Pirates
Just like
fan.
the fashion.
Yeah, I liked it for the fashion. It was actually nice at the time. Who that? Cole. Whoa. What's up, nerd? Do you know who it is? Lavoyo. Nzansi nerd is Lavoyo. Tall ass guy. Lavoyo.
Superman fan.
Do you play PES? I don't play PES. I've always been a fan of like, what do you call this? PS, like the actual PS. The actual FIFA, like not press. What is it like? Press. Hana kinye press, but and then we have like FIFA, blah 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 blah, and then we have like press. What? Yeah, and that was that was competing with FIFA. Yeah. My nemesis is with you. Yeah, he is right here. I digged him out of the holes, bro.
You're a fan. You love the new Superman movie.
Dude, is the new Superman movie good or bad? I've been asking this guy.
It's bad.
He's saying it's mid. Who says mid instead of saying good or bad? You don't say mid. You never say.
Like I said, that's like
this burger is mid.
Superman.
Nobody says a burger is mid, bro. How
the
do you
nigga
say?
Had his ass kicked from the beginning of the movie to the end.
Oh shit.
Again, they are
Oh,
showing the
dog.
humanity side of Superman now. No, you
Bro,
don't need that, man. You don't need that.
see who's talking Liverpool. Rashida Smith. Liverpool cooked
Yeah.
Real Madrid. Wow.
I mean, I
When? When did this
I did
happen?
say whichever one I
What
was.
current time?
It's a win for me. Liverpool wins, I won. Real Madrid wins, I
Right?
won.
What time is it right now?
Uh,
4:39.
yeah,
4:39 right now.
fixing your phone's watch.
PSG. God damn. PSG. I actually like PSG when it was like
PSG was
when it had
trash.
the three guys.
But it was still trash.
It
I mean,
was
how do you have
trash.
Messi,
Messi. It had
Neymar, and
Neymar
Mbappe in the same
in the
team,
same
but you
team.
don't even win the league or
I
qualify
actually
for UEFA?
I actually liked it at the time, but
It was trash.
trash or
After
not,
after Mbappe left, Bona Balaga qualify for UEFA.
yeah, but
How
still,
then
bro,
which way they won it? No?
I have no idea. But at least they had that type of vibe. He's not OP.
Nah, I don't need a seat, man. I'm good. I'm good.
Dude,
Still,
I told him to get
my
a
knees
seat. He's
still
not.
work.
He doesn't want one. Right now it's 8. Wow, you actually like going to sleep right now. Look outside, bro.
It's daytime.
We even have the moon out. Let me see if I can show the moon. We even have the moon out right now. Probably tomorrow we're gonna have like a full moon or something.
Last week we had a red moon.
We had a red moon last week. Yeah,
I turned into a werewolf.
September was full of a whole lot of shit. There we go. Yeah, most useless adventure.
No, the Fantastic Four.
Oh yeah.
We had a Fantastic Four.
Okay, DC or Marvel? DC or Marvel? DC
Niggas
or
DC,
Marvel?
DC, or
DC or
DC.
Marvel?
Now I'm a Marvel fan. Straight up Marvel fan.
DC or Marvel?
I'm a
Bro,
Marvel fan. I love Batman though.
DC or Marvel? When we talk about, okay, did you guys see Absolute Gotham and Absolute? Did you see that? They're releasing a new universe, whereas they have Absolute Joker, they have Absolute Bane, Absolute uh, 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 um, Batman, Absolute Superman. Dude, they're on their peak. Like everybody's on their peak, bro. Which is like,
I feel like it's unnecessary, but okay.
dude, do you know what they're trying to do now? They're trying to like flip the script, whereas
Shut man is trying to do too much. Get you see, but I no.
that's the thing. What are they supposed to do, bro? Like for real, what are they supposed to do? They
The
have
same thing that you always complained about Marvel. Too much
too
content.
much shit,
Now
yeah.
DC is coming with that.
Nah, this one is actually a comic book. That's the best part. It's a comic book, like a drawing a comic book. There's this thing, people were doing memes about it. Like now they're releasing this universe where
Rick
he
Sanchez.
doesn't have a rich family. Like Bets,
Normal kid.
yeah, Bets doesn't come from a rich family, and he's wait,
Rick
what
and
the fuck?
Morty. No, what the fuck?
Donated 100 through super chat at users. Nah, if you donated something, I would have seen that. Sorry, Phantom. But yeah, I would have seen that, my brother. Unless you did,
Yeah.
and I did not see it.
Hey, Zanzibar, you wanna know you always
But I
using
would
that
really
for
appreciate somebody who
casino.
actually does that. But yeah, even on top fan, number one Phantom. So how are you affording to give me $100, man? That's a lot of money. Do you know that I'm a South African person? If I had 100 right now, that would be a crazy ass shit that would happen to me, bro. Because that's a lot of money. That's like what, 1,000, right? Or something. 100. Like
Nigga, I never
We,
passed math.
every time,
Scrape through.
every time we gotta
I
ask
scraped
about
through.
every time we gotta ask about that shit, he's like, nah, I never passed that. But
Scraped
yeah, listen, man. If you actually like do that, that'll be cool. Ah, tsa mo bapalang, kopa le tsamaeng le lo bapala. Botlotlo, tsa mo bapala. Bo sharp, tsa mo bapalang. Tsa mo bapalang he. A se a hae. Tsa mo bapalang he. Tsa mo bapalang. Botlotlo, tsa mo bapalang.
Has anybody watched Marvel Zombies yet?
Marvel Zombies.
Rah.
Yeah, well, I haven't watched it. All I've seen on the internet is that it's full of murder. Everybody's like
Everybody's getting
dying.
killed, dog. Hi.
Everybody's dying and all that. So I've never
Brutality. That's Mortal Kombat.
Mortal Kombat Part 2 in that universe. Where were we in these topics? DC, okay. We were talking about DC and all that.
DC or Marvel?
And everybody's talking about everybody's talking about this. Liverpool is the best team in the world. Bro is actually in love. Like Smith
Give him
is
some
actually in love
QC.
with Liverpool, man.
Man, I love it.
Where are you from? Smith, where are you from? Can you drop your location?
And check, I lost Trent Alexandra from Liverpool, and I still gained him in Real Madrid. I mean, it's a win-win for me. Sure. But I'm still painting from that 5-2 loss. Damn. I was watching the highlights this morning, and I still couldn't believe it, though. I still couldn't believe it. I mean, 100% win rate, and then out of the blue, get whipped so badly. You Spider-Man. I'm not gonna shout. Yeah, that much. It's funny. I don't know it. Updates out. Could you from your too?
Tloela silo monna wa
Kids. I'm about it. I'm sure my room will tell me. Gonna see. Your friends by us. Hey. Smith. Mara, you a calf. Mara, write something in South African. Fresh cut, fresh fade, nigga. Opa. Rashida Smith. You're from South Africa. Say, write something in South African. What language do you speak? Eh?
Tsa mo bapala. Bongani, tsa mo bapala.
Kids.
Just
You know
sis.
what's up.
He's capping.
Yeah.
Smith, you capping, bro. You're not from South Africa. Say something in South African language or whatever. Give him some KFC.
Give me some KFC.
I don't know. Breakless Gaming said give him some KFC.
Oil.
I'm sure it's this guy. He was talking about Fatib. For a team claimed to have donated $100, and look, we don't have $100 donated, my brother. You're straight up capping. Fatima, you're straight capping.
Fatima,
Let me give you a seat.
Fatima, where are you from, Fatima? Fatima, where are you from? Niggas getting me a chair, man. We got man in black. Fanamutu. Hi. How are you doing today? Hey. Bobby. Mzansi nerd. Brayaga. You never answered. How did you enjoy the new Superman movie, though?
Some things are just not.
Dude, it's fire. I'm trying to say, dude, it's fire.
What?
The new Superman movie.
I.
It's not fire, though. It's mid.
Dude, it's fire.
It's lukewarm.
It's fire, bro.
Lukewarm.
What are they saying about September? Meh. Shit. Meh, not that. Emana.
40% meh. 33% great. My September was boring. I'm still waiting on a great month. Still waiting on a great month, bro.
Still waiting on a great month.
Have been waiting on a great month.
Every month is a great month. Okay? It depends on how you look at it. Depends on how you look at it. How are we gonna put this shit, bro?
Dad.
That mula. The mula.
Why are we still waiting? Which universe? Which company?
Which universe is impressive?
Marvel is impressive though.
I wanna for Namfan.
Still
I would say Marvel, man.
White ass.
I would say Marvel, but then Marvel is oversaturated right now. Especially when you realize already they've been throwing trash on the wall like yo bro, what did you say about me? I'm saying you're capping, you're not South African. That's what I'm saying. I'm saying you're not South African.
Bodyguard. Hi there.
Boss's bodyguard. Wow.
That's quite a name.
That's a name, bro. I'm saying to you,
the hitman's bodyguard.
I'm saying to you, what do you call it? Marvel is great. The only problem they have is oversaturating the market, whereas they have like way too many series, way too many movies out. Now they did this movie,
Get in the bag, nigga.
Fantastic Four, and they showed us a little bit of who is coming in the next one,
Dr.
which is
Doom.
Doom.
Doomsday Dog.
Yeah, they build into anticipation about Doom and
I saw a
everything.
post that said they're recasting again for
Recasting who?
main
Doom
characters. I don't know.
for Doom.
Nah, Doom is set, dog. Set in stone. Don't find out.
If they do that, that's gonna be bad, bro.
Some characters. I don't know. I don't know if it's true. It's 4:54 p.m.
He's probably from South Africa. Rashida. Alright, man. Alright, South African.
South Africa, from where are you in South Africa?
Where you from in South
Where you
Africa?
from, dog?
And the other thing is that we don't see gender, so we probably might not even we might think it's a he, and then we find out it's a she.
Rashida is normally a girl's name. So hey,
You may never know.
you do that with Rashida.
Binoni. Shout out from Binoni, my bro. Yeah, we actually musicians, bro. So today we started like we thought, yeah, we were bored and we like, let's go live.
Say hi.
Say hi to all,
How
to all
y'all
the people who were subscribed.
doing?
Cause yeah, it's been a while. We started early this year. We started this thing of like going live and making music every day for like 30 days, and then we passed like yeah, I think we passed like 35 days for just making music and going live, and then that kind of got exhausting. It's too much.
But I
Like we
was
can make music every day without the cameras, but then if the cameras is always there, we gotta be like, okay, I'm gonna do this verse, and then you guys just keep rolling the cameras and stuff. So that was crazy for us.
I
But
told
now,
you. Ah,
yeah,
Rashida's a boy, though.
oh, it's a boy, and the boss is a
This
girl.
is a
Okay,
girl.
now that's cool. So
Female
we can actually say
bodyguard.
Mr. Smith,
Bro, how old are you? Who? Me or him?
me or him.
Because shit.
I'm 104, bro.
We old.
I'm 104 years old. I've been living in this thing for a long time. I'm 104 years old, bro.
Old, bro.
I don't know about
You
him.
may
He's
look
probably
young.
like 200 years old, and I'm 100 years old. So
Eat your veggies. You look young.
eat your veggies, you know, drink water, do not drink, do
Electrolytes.
not smoke, you know,
I'm 30.
don't stress a lot.
I'm 29, actually.
29.
Cap, I'm 30. I'm 30. I just hit 30, dog. And yeah.
Ah, that's deep, bro.
It's depressing.
I'm actually younger than him, bro. I'm younger than
Does he
him.
look younger?
I look younger than you.
Nah,
I
you
am
don't
younger
look
than
younger
you.
than
Look
me,
at me, bro. I'm young as hell. I'm actually 25. So yeah, he's older than me.
25.
He's older than me.
Double that.
No doubling or
Double
anything.
that. He's 48.
Bro, I'm 25. Look at me. I look 25.
Rashida's 17.
I just have genes that contribute to that thing of like
Yeah.
having more beers and
The beast.
stuff. So yeah.
Boss's bodyguard is 18 and Rashida's 17.
Oh damn. So you guys have a lot of ways to go. Y'all gotta have under 18 and stuff.
Too young. He's still He's still young. He's still kids. Yeah, look at me. Man, I miss my 17-year-old me.
Damn, look, Smith says I look 100. Yeah, dog, I look 100. I am 100. I am 100.
It's probably the hair. Now it's the beard, eh?
I'm probably
Beard.
yeah. This will make you look old, bro.
This nigga is like, what? How old are you actually?
I'm 104 years old. I said that, bro. Didn't I say that? I'm an immortal.
You two are besties. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, dog.
We go way back.
Go way back.
Way back.
In
Way back.
1944, this guy, I met this guy in 19 in 1944. I met this guy in Congo, and he was fighting these wars, bro. I was like, "What are you doing here, bro?" He's like, "Yeah, man, I'm here fighting this war." And I was like, "All right, man. My name is Zeus," and he's like, "Yeah, man, I'm Kev."
I was in the South African army.
Yeah, and I was coming from like Europe and stuff, and then we were like, "Ah, man, let's go." I think South Africa is good for us, so we went to South Africa. We passed like Botswana, Namibia. It's been a crazy journey.
16.
100 years. Just kidding. 16 years. Wow, that's even lower.
18 now. It's at 18, 16.
My man.
Youngest. We are grown up. Very grown up.
If you had mortality in front, what would you do in front?
Bruh.
Like
Everything.
if you were
Every
able to live,
single thing there
if
is to do. I would
you can't,
do.
how would you spend your days? Like, man, you can't die. Like,
Busy
imagine
as
not dying for like years and years and
bruh.
years, bro. That's crazy. I wouldn't do that for real. I wouldn't do that at all.
I would do everything. I mean, I can't die.
Oh, damn, that was a huge one. Did you see that?
Yeah.
That was a huge
No.
yeah, mosquito.
Moscato.
Brah. That was a huge mosquito. Damn, dude, mortality. I wouldn't want that shit. I wouldn't want to live here in front of for that long. Like, there's this movie, The Old God. Is it The Old God?
Yeah. I hate the second part. Oh,
Yeah, the second one is like, I didn't expect they would go that
it's like
long
a series. It's like a pilot episode for like
for a series.
series they want to bring. Come on.
Even the ending was
Ending
not
up.
was not like
Cliffhanger. You miss the
they leave you with a cliffhanger. You're like, okay, how long am I supposed to wait for the next one? It's like, are you gonna have a budget in like what
You
two
don't
or
even
three
get
years?
mad. You don't
Ah,
even get mad. That's how unexciting it was. Oh,
yeah, there was no chatter around the internet about it. There was nobody was saying, yo, that movie needs to like drop that
but
shit back. Wow, man, that's offensive, but it's okay. It's offensive, man.
Rashida.
That's offensive, bro. Can't be saying that shit. This guy.
What are we doing today? We're not doing anything.
Chilling,
Chill.
man. Chilling. We were supposed to make music and all that, but
Chilling.
best thing is to chill, man.
Got bored and said, let's have a conversation with the people.
Yeah. What? Can you two tell me why my girlfriend is ignoring me?
Why is she
All right.
ignoring you?
Why is she ignoring you?
Wait,
Okay, firstly, what did you do? What happened? What
me?
did you do?
What? Yo, you with the red. Hi.
What's up? What's wrong?
What's up? Why is your girlfriend ignoring you?
No, the first thing is what did he do?
Ah man,
Why would anybody just ignore you for like no reason? So you have to like explain to us why would he like why would she like ignore you for no reason?
that's the
It's not
thing, man.
possible.
That's the thing. Every time a girl does something,
There has to be a
we
reason.
assume that the guy did something to make her feel that way. Come
Well,
on.
right now he's the one who's like she's ignoring me. So I don't know. We fought about it. Do you see what I'm saying?
For a guy,
He's mentioning her in his okay.
what is he saying about her?
Okay, so why are you suspicious of like some really bad things
If
that are
the
happening? Guys, if you say something that's offensive or inappropriate, it's not gonna show up and we cannot reply to
your comment,
your comments. So you gotta be like very respectful, and
Wow, oh, but why is she getting mad?
no, he's getting. I'm sure he's
No,
get.
why
Look,
is she
look,
ignoring him?
look.
Why is she ignoring him?
I don't know. We thought about a guy who's mentioning her on his IG stories, right? You see that? I'm like busy. He busy, man. Aiwo.
Cool
So
shirt.
now, why, why?
Mine. It's a top. It's cool. Why?
Yeah.
No, why?
No.
But.
There it is.
Did
There
you
it is.
ask?
Yeah, I thought she's like doing something with him. Okay, so you assumed, you started assuming, and then you asked about it.
Don't thought. Why you thought?
Bro, get some evidence first. Like,
Don't just jump
usually,
to conclusions.
no, you can't jump to conclusions. That's the best. That's the best defense, bro. You gotta have like you gotta jump to conclusions on everything, but you gotta have evidence. If you feel something that is like, this is not good, or I'm being suspicious of something that's going on with her and everything, then you gotta be like, nah, let me get evidence first.
Then you jump to
Then when you get that evidence, then you start talking. Hey, girl. So why is he doing this and this and this and this and this?
She
And
broke
if
up with you. Wow.
no, she broke up with him. My
My girl did
girlfriend
break
did
up
break
with
up
me.
with me.
Lucky
That's
you.
the other guy.
Which guys? How many guys are we talking about here?
Shadow's the one who's Shadow's the one.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's oh shit! All right, they're all here.
Ah,
Bruh.
don't laugh at another man's
No,
trauma,
I'm not
bro.
laughing. I'm just shocked of it. I thought we were talking
Sorry,
about
man. Sorry for your
something
loss, bro.
outside of this chat.
Listen, Shadow, bro.
Shadow,
Shadow, listen,
calm
bro.
down, man.
Get your
Calm down.
get your evidence first, bro. Right? And if the girl is like not
Nigga,
responding to you,
she's listening.
then give her a space, bro. Like give her space, give her time to like think and all that. But then,
Yeah, just joking. Ah, man, come on, man.
yeah,
That
this
was
guy.
some juicy shit.
But yeah, give her time to think about it. But if you feel like that shit is bothering you, then stick to your guns, bro. If you do not like it, then don't tolerate it because you're not gonna tolerate it if it happens a year after.
Majorla,
So yeah, if you
Majorla
don't like
fire,
something that's happening now and you pretend you're gonna
Majorla
like it
fire.
now, then if it happens in the future and you bring it up, she's gonna be like, yeah, you were a yes man all this time. I'm dealing with a yes man. You understand? So no matter what, just stick with your guns, bro. If you do not like something, tell her and don't say you tolerate or understand or you can
Little ground rules.
yeah, lay the ground rules, bro. Just say I do not like this and I do not tolerate this. Because if you say yes, we can go forward and you still do not like that shit, you know what's gonna happen? It's gonna happen again. And you're not gonna be
Still
like,
gonna.
yeah, and you're not gonna like it. And the other thing is that chick, if the dude is the one that's doing all those things but she's not doing anything, then it's the dude, it's not
Who's
the
the
chick.
problem?
Yeah, it's
Yeah, the
not the
guy is
chick.
the problem, bro.
Yeah, but if it's the chick that's doing all those things, then that's a problem, bro. Like that's something else, bro. Like your chick is for the streets, bro. Your chick is for the streets, my brother.
How old must bro be
How old must he be?
to get
Uh,
a girlfriend?
to get a girlfriend. That's a deep one, bro. I don't know. For me, I got my first girlfriend when I was a little bit younger, so I don't know. It tends to like I don't know, but in your teens, bro, I don't know. I don't know if you're in your teens and you
17 or
17 or
16.
16. I don't know, but
Had a point. Had a point.
wait,
Yeah, babes.
I don't know, but if
17
you
or 16. Hmm? Yeah,
like,
man,
to be
yeah, man.
honest, to be honest,
Don't say anything. You don't know. You don't know, bruh.
no, like,
Don't you?
I'm trying to say, like, with relationships, man, it's best to get your relationships when you are a little bit mature, because if you're mature, you understand shit better. So when something happens to you, you
You
can
know
understand.
how
Yeah,
to
you can
tackle it.
understand. And yeah, because some things that happen emotionally, you won't handle them well.
Ako
So
na lang level na magkaranda. No,
now I don't remember, bro.
my first
Cause remember, I'm 104 years old, bro. So that's a long time ago.
nah, my most serious relationship was in high school.
In high school.
High school. Most serious relationship I had
In high school.
in high school. Grade 10.
I did
Grade
high
10th
school.
grade.
I did high school for 5 times. 5 times, man. So I'm 106 years old.
You're
You are,
not 10 no more, you're 6.
I'm 100.
You're going
I'm
down.
104
There's this
years
guy.
old.
Let me show you. Show you going down. Oh, it's Pokemon. I'm 110 years old. I know everything. Next time I say, I'm 113 years old. I've known everything.
The age keeps on
Keeps
changing.
going up.
Oh,
Yep.
man.
He was, what, 116? Couple of 11 or 6 years old.
I was 11
11,
six
6
years
years old.
ago.
If
Six years ago. Where are you from, by the way? We from. Yeah, that's where we from. That's exactly where we from, bro. Now we from.
Cut your hair. He doesn't want to cut his hair. Even his
I'm not gonna
mom
do
said
that,
cut
bro.
his hair. Even his mom's tired of his hair.
I'm not gonna do that, bro. That's not my
He's
style.
from the Bahamas, yo. Takala, kala, kala. Jamaica.
That's not my style. I don't cut
You
hair.
can smell the weed through the phone from Jamaica.
I don't cut hair.
He's on his Trevor Noah right now. He's on his Trevor Noah style right now.
Shout us from India. Shout out India, bro. Shout out India. Where can I get like
Yeah,
some?
we from South Africa.
Where can I get like the best curry, bro? Cause I like curry. I think most of the time when we see India, we associate
Yeah,
them with
curry.
spices, man. Like
Spicy
the best
things.
spices. Woo. What is the best spice that you could recommend for me, man? I want like the best spice. And somehow, even me just saying that, it kind of makes me assume that he's tolerant with like spicy
Spicy
shit.
things.
And you might find out he's not even a
He
fan
doesn't
of
even
like
like
spicy
spicy
stuff.
things.
But yeah, like if you do like spicy stuff, what would you recommend?
You
Like
have a
what kind of
sister.
spice
Send
would
your
you
sister
go?
down here. I need a wife.
Dog, South Africa is full of beautiful women, bro.
Man,
I mean, look at that. Look at that shit.
man.
Look
I
at
have
that.
South African women are too dramatic.
Every woman is
Dramatic.
all the women are dramatic, bro.
Nah, bruh.
Bro says, I'm from India, but not from the place where they many places. I think he wants to say
I
spices.
just saw something horrifying.
Mac-
You just saw something horrifying. What?
McDonald's
That's the best
has the
spice.
best.
And she like,
Bro,
neighbors.
I doubt it.
Neighbors.
I guess the neighbors think I'm selling dope, selling dope.
Hey, hey, hey.
I think the neighbors think I'm selling dope.
Boss's bodyguard just saw something horrifying. What did you see?
What did you
Yeah,
see?
what did you see? Scumbo, what did you see?
What? Look at that. A Chinese guy robbing his. Wow. Okay,
Um,
I'm not supposed to read that.
okay.
Palisa. Palisa is in the chat also. How are we gonna read stuff like that? If like, how am I supposed to like read that? Bro, I can't read that. I'm not supposed to read that.
Shit, man.
Where I'm from, there are many types of tea. Okay, where is that? Many types of tea.
I'm traumatized.
No, I'm traumatized.
I'm blood red. It's
I'm
not
blood.
funny.
Alright, bro. Sorry for that, bro. I feel like if you experience something while you're watching a chat, that's crazy. Like how does that happen? Like you in the streets walking around with your phone and
You
you see
see
something
something.
like that. How do you even find a Chinese guy, bro? That's crazy. How do you find a Chinese guy? Life in Cape Town.
Assam.
So he's from the Capes.
Search Assam. Go and all this spice, name. Assam.
Yeah,
A little spice.
it's beautiful. Okay,
Assam.
I don't know. Is it a spice or a place?
Is that a spicy place?
The fact that we don't even know the difference whether
Assam. Yo,
it's a spice or a place. We don't even know, bro. It's
you're not
crazy.
well traveled.
But yeah, I was asking you about that shit. If you were immortal, man, living 150 years on this planet, what would you do, bro?
I'm gonna
What
go out,
would you do?
yo. I said I would do everything and anything.
Everything and anything. What is everything and anything? What is the first thing you
Bro,
would do right now? Like,
travel the world.
if you realize, man, I can't die today. I can't
I'm gonna go rob a bank.
die today.
I'm gonna go rob a bank, dog.
Do you know what's gonna
I
happen?
can't die, dog.
Do you know what's gonna happen? They're gonna realize that you can't die, and then they're gonna make experiments on you.
Bro, I'm gonna rob a bank right
How?
here in South Africa.
Yeah, listen.
And then I'm gonna fly out. I'm gonna go to another place.
How successful is the robbery? If you,
Bruh, I'm immortal, dog.
this guy.
Bullets can't kill me.
Okay, cool.
I walk in, I be like, give me the money. I'm still here. Still here. Taking these shots and taking this money.
Yeah, this guy.
Then I'm gonna walk out. I'm gonna walk out, bruh.
They're gonna throw you in a home, find a dark hole, and they're gonna make experiments on you. Find you gonna your blood is
How
gonna
are you
cure
gonna-
cancer.
Who's gonna stop me? 'Cause
Dude,
I'm here.
pharmaceuticals are looking for niggas
I'm
like
here.
you. Imagine that shit. They're looking for
After
guys
I
like
rob
you.
50
They're looking for people who are like really powerful. They're looking for people who can withstand like snake bites. And you come out here robbing a bank and you are like immortal. You taking bullets
I mean,
and
before I
nothing is
go to the
happening to
bank,
you.
bruh, pack my shit. I pack my shit lightly, flying, hijack a car straight forward, and I go straight to the bank. Take that money, drive straight to the airport with that money that I just stole. I buy a ticket and I'm gone. Until though you're left here, wanted, wheezy. I'm gone. Gone with the money. Start a new life.
Excel egg, Excel egg, can float Africans broad. Alright, okay.
Boss,
And then there's
now you're just flexing now, boss.
he's flexing.
Why are you
Are
flexing
you a
now?
music artist? Yes, I'm a music artist. You can check out my music here. And he's a music artist, Kevin, with a double I and double nine. So yeah. But I'm gonna tag him. I think I tagged him. Let me see.
The invisible character in the group.
Let me see. I think yeah.
I only pop out when I'm needed.
But yeah, if you subscribe, you might find everything on us, bro. You'll find everything on us and every video, every music that we ever did, you'll find that shit powerful. Like the yeah, bro, me too.
Bruh, take that money back.
No, you guys are mixed. You guys are missing the point. Whereas
And
you,
man, I just answered your question.
dude,
Your question,
today,
I answered.
today, if you expose,
Today, I go
listen,
rubber bank.
today, if you expose yourself as a superhuman person or a supernatural person,
Right, South
they're
Africa,
gonna take
nobody
your
knows.
blood.
South
They're
Africa
gonna experience,
is too slow there.
bruh. I promise you, with
That's
TikTok,
slow.
with YouTube, with everything, everybody like, bro, you're not gonna survive.
No, I'm gone.
You're not gonna take 5 minutes. I
Before it
promise you.
trends, I'm on a plane.
What play? You don't even have a passport, bro. Right now, as we speak, you don't have a passport right now. How are you gonna fly? Oh my god.
I'm on the dark web. Escape.
So, so
Escape.
the thing that you're saying is
A
that
container. I'm in a
once you
container.
get your
Yeah,
immortality,
containers, dog. I'm in a container and I'm gone. Ship is sailing.
the fact that you're thinking this is gonna happen, but like that immortality comes with infinite knowledge of like stuff that you didn't even know before, man.
Yeah.
Like
So
now
I
you
know
know
how
ways
to
to
walk
find.
into a bank and be like,
Now you know where to find like containers and shit.
yeah.
You haven't been to Durban in like how long, and now you know how to find containers. Like you know how
Go
to
to
fly
these
off.
Nigerian niggas. These Nigerian niggas know everything, bro. Like, in fact, I will give you like a thousand rands. Connect me with some import export people. Put me on a container and God, God.
My brother, I don't see that happening.
If I was immortal, nah, what would you do with
I
immortality?
would I would hide everything, bro. I wouldn't do anything. I would hide it.
I feel like
I would
immortality
make sure that nobody
is
knows that
useless. It's a useless power.
it's not.
It's a useless power. Live, live,
You're
live,
gonna live and learn a
live.
whole lot of shit, man.
Nigga, who wants
And
to
then
learn?
and then guide the
Wanna
whole
get-
world.
I don't give a fuck about money. If I get powers, I'm gonna be the villain.
Okay.
Straight
okay.
up villain arc in this bitch.
All right. Let's say you have the choice to have a power, like a superpower of some sort. Tamo bapala nga bosia.
Nigga, I'm a
Tamo
teleport.
bapala nga bosia. O monate o na le letsatsi lo futhumala la bona. Iya.
Kids. Which power? Teleportation, man.
Teleportation.
Yeah.
Like you're gonna choose teleportation out of all these powers.
Mm.
Invisibility, flight.
Yeah, invisibility, dog. Straight into the bank vault. I love money, dog. That's why I be like that kid from Jump.
Jump.
That movie, dog. Straight into the vault. You see that kid's closet, dog, full of money, dog.
Like, did you see how fast you got caught? You almost got caught.
No, because he
of-
had people hunting people with.
Exactly. What if there's
There ain't no people with powers like that here.
bro? What if
right
there's
now.
what if they start like
Man, he got greedy. Let's be honest.
initiative,
Let's be
a
honest.
shield?
He got greedy. He got greedy.
Dude, you spend your whole life broke as hell, and then you realize
Don't be greedy.
you got those type of powers,
Yeah, dog. Don't be greedy.
bro.
Dog.
You're gonna jump everywhere and fight.
Bro, I clean up the bank. I clean up the whole bank vault.
Hola,
No,
hola.
I'm not. The whole bank vault, and I'm good.
Listen to this guy.
And then I just chill.
Invisibility to skip the Africans and English test to score the kids in my time. Yeah, that would be cool. Bro, superpowers are bullshit. If you see by signs, it will kill you every time. Okay, I get you. No, the thing is with superpowers, nobody has the ability to have superpowers. Only sangomas have superpowers. Psychics have
I
superpowers.
won't enter that topic.
But it's true. Those are the only people who are close to the
OG
Avengers.
Sangomas had superpowers.
But the only thing close to superpowers.
Yeah. The only thing close to superpowers.
So they have superpowers. So we have people who walk around with superpowers in this world.
I don't know. I don't wanna. Hey, I have to tell you,
Oh,
though. I don't know.
yo, I think the neighbors think I'm selling dope. What is he saying?
The neighbors
Just
is
pick up the
fine.
pen and make ghost noises. Yeah, with
Ooh.
invisibility, but in the classroom, but yeah, yeah, yeah.
No
Yo,
school.
on the
But
series
I
The
got still
Boys,
there, yeah.
on the series The Boys, there's this guy who had invisibility. The only thing is that he has to like be totally naked when he's
Yeah,
everywhere.
because he
Yeah,
can be invisible.
yeah. So he went to he's going to the lady's room every time, bro. And he's still, I mean, he stands in there
Yeah, I saw that episode.
invisible and
He
shit.
just
And then this other one, she saw that he's actually there. So he's like, "You're gross, man." And he's like, he changes back. He's like, "Hey, I like this." I'm like, "What the heck, bro?" But invisibility is that cool. I don't like that.
see if your eyes are
If you give,
invisible, you can see.
imagine if you gave every petal that invisibility shit. Oh, that would be fucked up, bro.
She'll be dropping science facts all over.
Nah, that would be bad. Hmm?
She'll be dropping science facts.
If you
She'll,
got
what are
invisibility,
you, dog?
you need to
I hate
like
it.
to
What
see.
the?
You can see. All you can see. Okay, rosing from the dead. I get that. That would be crazy though. That would be crazy. I wouldn't do that though. I wouldn't be using that like in my invisibility, man, to like scare people. I would use it to like
Save people.
not like I would use it to like do some life changing shit.
Ah, fuck that. I'll be a villain. Straight up. I don't
What
want to
is it with you
lie,
and being
dog.
a
I'll be a
villain, bro?
villain, dog.
You don't need to be a
I'll be a
villain.
villain.
Why do you need to be a villain?
Man,
Life is good,
it's
bro.
all about me. It's
Why
all
you gotta
about
have
me.
villain?
The people around
Okay,
me.
okay. What about
What? It's the kids.
oh,
Man, fuck them kids. Come
not
on,
like
Nigeria.
all the ah damn. What is this guy's name? Oh, the villains. Which villains would you go for, bro? Like, say for instance, Doom. So it's Doom, Lex, Lex. Man, he has super
He's
villainous
genius, dog.
villainous genius, man. That's a super powerful. So it's Zoom, Thanos, Thanos, and Darkseid, Darkseid,
Oh,
um,
yeah.
the Joker.
I'm Faraday Jew.
Why would you pick Joker?
Kill everybody and I don't give up.
Joker has no powers,
Okay,
bro.
manga. I love the Jew.
Yeah,
My favorite villain, that guy is.
dude. Once you see absolute Joker, you're gonna go crazy. There's this video of like Batman living Gotham. It's like, man, what am I supposed to do with absolute Joker? Like, look how fucking powerful this guy is, man. I'm gonna show you that shit.
I should be dropping. I should man. Rashid is dropping Africans and get me Africans. Get me Africans.
Too much shit. That's Cockney accent. It's too much, bro. Like that accent is too much, bro.
Rashid the boss. They're speaking Africans now. Like get me Africans. You can't.
VVV. Ah, let them talk, bro.
What's about boyfriend? This is about boyfriend.
Select J tell in the battle school as a case. Oh, it's like grade seven. We had this project in grade seven, where you supposed to like present, ne? So presentation, I think you had to like stand in front of the class and give them a school, like you have to give out a story that you heard about. So me being the guy who doesn't have like any story to say in Afrikaans, in fact, I was like, "Goeiemorgen, hoe gaan dit? En die bloof van ons hier, me? Ja, die vela van yeah." Kisolo bapala nke. Kisolo bapala nke. Hai bongane aman. Ya ka tlu.
Man is like, Spider-Man. Ultimate Spider-Man.
Let me show you. Dude, I mixed up. There was this Captain Fundy Sailor. I took those lyrics and I was like, man, I'm getting my mugs. One way or the other, I'm getting my mugs, bro. I took the national anthem and I took the greetings. Dad, Saki please. You know what a Saki please is? Plastic please. Like the language, yeah, Saki please. Hey, I can, because the teacher is the only one who understands those languages. Like, hey, like, oh no, what's going on? Son, so hang on, like, I don't know this language. Yeah, no dog, you didn't see his shit. Captain Fundy Sailor. Look at this. Absolute joke. Look at this. Absolute joke again. Did you see that shit? Yeah. Absolute bane. Dude, it's crazy. It's crazy. Crazy shit. It's like, nah, hell nah. I ain't dealing with this. I'm not doing this anymore. The comic book, like the new comic book that they're gonna do for this universe. He's broke. Like he's not the rich, yeah, he's not the rich guy on this universe. Well, worst part, it's a comic, it's still a comic. It's not like your usual shit. Yeah. You can buy the book and and, and, and enjoy that. Yeah.
Subtitles I will read. I don't mind. But a book.
The book is incredible, bro. You gotta get books, bro. You gotta feed your mind, bro. Okay, Captain Funny Sailor.
Dang, what name?
Yeah, I'm fun. These two are actually like on their African step, bro.
They're gossipy.
Let's keep going with the African stuff. Let's go.
Gossipy.
Let's go.
What was cool? Speaking about being ghosts in class. Can't go palati. Yeah.
For real. Like I said before, man, if anybody were to send anything there, that would be crazy.
Thought. Ouch. Damn.
Captain.
Mfano Audi X3.
Who?
Process. Damn, I cut my tongue.
Yeah, you did. Straight up. Dude, I don't get it. This guy who told me he actually did like to contribute something because it doesn't go down. Yeah, it's still in the way. So that's kind of weird, but it does not reflect. That's the weird part. It does not reflect. That's why I was like, nah, fam, you capping. You capping, bro. Listen to this.
What car do you have?
Bro, I just heard a song of yours. It's fire. It was Focus. Yeah, Focus.
Terms
Yeah,
and
yeah.
conditions.
Focus.
See
Oh
that
yeah,
in
yeah.
life.
Focus.
There's a guy there in the
Term,
music video. Thank you.
terms and conditions. She gonna be my life. Focus. Sunglass mindset. Never seen anything right. Focus. I don't care how you feel. I am the greatest tonight.
Where's
Focus.
TikTok?
I'm so bro. We. I have TikTok. Why don't you have TikTok?
I have TikTok, dog.
What are you doing with your TikTok?
Remember, dog.
Nah, I don't remember
I will
shit. This is what I
publicly-
was
I
talking
will
about. This is
publicly say this. I got robbed.
this is the this is the
Niggas
type
stole
of
my phone.
this is the type of shit
Niggas
that I
stole
gotta
my
deal
phone.
with.
So, what am I supposed to do if niggas, steal my shit?
What are you doing at night? Why are you going around at night,
Wasn't even at night.
walking around with your flashlight out? Like,
Plus
what are you doing?
5:30.
Just walking around doing this,
5:30 is
like it's
not
a concert and shit.
5:30 was not dark, dog.
You're doing one of these out in the streets.
A brand new phone.
We're not smoking.
A year old. It's just,
You deeper than
was
rap,
still
bro.
fresh, dog.
Deeper than rap. What is it? What's your
Cien.
skin?
Here's your son. Here's your son, nigga.
What do you mean?
What do you mean?
Okay, so now Fana you passed him because he's been contributing for real. Yeah, that's cool. But yeah, dog, like
She come pick us up with your Audi. Give us a lift.
look, man, we in the free state. There are only two things that we actually need in the free state: money and more money. That's it. We got land, we got everything, bro. Just give us money and we'll be fine.
That's why I always say I'm gonna be a I'm gonna get this money.
And that money is like a hopefully being on terms and conditions. She gonna be in my life. Focus. Sunglass mindset. Never seen anything right. Focus.
I don't care.
I am the greatest in life. Focus. I'm so relieved. Niggas are saying my fight. Focus. Focus.
Yeah.
Focus. Focus.
Yeah.
Look, but mangat. Yeah, I say. Definite. Definite. Rashuma. We have friends over friends over friends.
No.
We have friends over friends over friends. Fire reminds me of a song. Baby, I don't even know what that
Asian
song
ladies
is.
are keeping me busy.
Asian what?
Asian ladies are keeping me busy.
Asian what? Asian babies.
I'm visiting South
Bon,
Africa.
Arkal. Tshwara tjena tsena ke mogaya se. He's jumping him. We live, bro. We're just chilling and being live. We're talking about shit, bro. Just live. Just went live, man.
The
Lady
secrets have been revealed.
Lady Google, I think. I don't know who that
What?
is.
Lady
But
Gaga, dog.
But I appreciate that. Nah. Why? No. No. What did I do? What did I do to you? Okay, can we resolve this? No, baby, no.
I don't want you anymore.
No, you don't understand. Me and you, we are one. We we are connected. We are involved.
Now you need you tell Lady Gaga focus.
Focus. I have no idea, my friend. That's the thing that I'm like, what song is that?
Stop going, I don't wanna think anymore.
In grade 4.
What it look like? Every time you put it, the fuck up back. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Good.
Yeah, man.
Sharp.
Grand.
I'm Benjura.
So we did body of food as in I said, who is high?
Rah. Hate this
We did a food.
Did you see him? Fana gore mo na le mokae snapping sane.
Guys, I'm Linda Boone, flexible as fuck.
Para de ko.
Fun na school day. Fun na last time I kill na fit dance ito.
Kana ire yena ne. This how you go
Okay, but I
crazy.
what that said, yeah,
This how you go crazy.
there is a Chacho, so step out to the Casa.
Udi bizet.
Fair,
Udi bizet. Uno chaya zen. Nemo udi bizet. Hai udi bizet. Nahan. Hai udi bimbata.
Yo, guys.
Udi pia choose.
What up? I'm just about to shoot you. That's a good one.
Dog, they're talking Afrikaans. Look at that shit. Man, babu Afrikaans.
What is your name?
My Afrikaans
What
is
is your
long.
name?
My name is Puso Mkwena.
Why we fun doing
Accent.
Why if I accent?
Yeah.
You don't have to have the accent.
Why don't you first accent on a gene?
I like if accent.
Voila.
Hey,
Voila.
my name is
My name is
Puso. Get your magula na santo, mahuana na sabato hira. Ba ukwa sa rubuwa. My name is Puso.
He's fine. He's fine. How are you?
I'm good, and you? How are you?
Monkey boss.
My name is
Ha!
Puso.
Boss. What's a beautiful name?
Nah, he's not
Yeah,
Puso,
boss.
he's Tricks.
Oh, what are the tricks? Oh,
It's not Puso, it's
Nah, boss,
Tricks.
yo,
This is Tricks,
chill.
nigga.
Oh, boss of
This
cheese.
is Tricks.
Nigga, you just gotta go.
I just get what?
A friend.
Oh,
A new friend. Boss.
You
what
got
a
a
guy.
friend in me. You got a friend in me.
Waiting for a new one.
it's a little bit more better. It's
Yeah,
like,
it's like for an hour or
good
something.
little. Has another one? How is it?
Nah, I'm working, dog.
This
This is work.
Yeah.
This is work.
Yeah, boss.
This is work. This is
This
work. We talked about work.
Her name is Zaydan Smith.
Nice to meet you.
Zayden Smith.
Jaden Smith.
Nice to meet you, Miss Mel.
Jaden Smith.
Nice to meet you.
got a friend in me.
Toy Story, yeah.
Toy Story is set to buy a guy 5,
Five.
6.
I think it's
Abakata in charge to buy 5.
It's fifth.
That's a lot. That's a
I'm
lot.
gonna
Of
Toy
things,
Story sales, dog.
that's too much, man.
Yeah.
They need to cut it
Got
down.
it done.
They need to
My,
cut it.
I
Monday
hope
to
they don't
Sunday,
change
yo.
the voices.
Maybe
The
I love you
voiceovers
one
should
day.
stick the
Maybe
same.
we'll Sunday
I hate
bro.
when they change voiceovers.
Amagazina into hasa sound that they say. Anaki man.
Bro, he's
That
still
guy was
alive.
Forrest Gump. He doesn't sound the same.
But he's still alive.
He's still alive, but he's not gonna sound the same.
Still alive.
You're Superman. You're
So-
We need
Superman.
your voice.
But don't you tell
Even
me?
if you come with a wheelchair, we don't care. We need your voice.
Yella.
Yellow.
Okay,
yeah.
finish the
Now
lyrics
finish the lyrics.
of the song.
Yeah.
Which one?
Well,
Focus.
it's done. Dude, which one? Toy Story or
Focus on Toy Story.
Nigga,
I don't know,
you
man.
just sang the Toy Story.
You got a friend in
got
me.
a friend. Yeah, you got a friend
My niggas. No,
You out.
I'm tireless. See you guys.
Yeah, man.
not
It's my
true.
blood.
When my next
It's my
go to
blood. I'm fun. You were dying, fun of it.
do that. So you can't just show the out. Like I bought into the city.
Ngesani usikasha uswethi ngwana. Sikasha uswethi ngwana sa. Sikasha uswethi ngwana. O batla puso ya mnyaka.
Batla puso ya mnyaka.
Batla
E
puso ya mnyaka.
tlo mo go mo ga lo ga dipompo tsa ba ka di.
No, I'm fine. Kinale Seiso, kinale.
Vamos.
Every time.
Vamos.
Y'all niggas don't wanna make babies, bro.
I know.
Ngwana ka o bored.
It's not the
Ngwana ka o
time.
bored.
Which way it's not the time.
My son is bored. I read it.
Hai. Ke batla go bona gore ntho e leng ka gore e etsa.
Demon Hunters, finish the lyrics.
Which one?
Which one? Kick Pop Demon Hunters or Demon Hunters?
Yellow. I'm gonna show you how it's done.
Demon Hunters.
Finish the lyrics.
Kick Pop Demon Hunters, dog. That movie was fire. Loved it, the song. Every song of that movie was good, dog.
I haven't watched it in time.
I even have that one.
You even downloaded like
A song, dog.
from movies.
Damn, that song is fire.
Easy. But I guess you go a little bit more higher. How are you gonna?
Bruh.
You go.
That movie.
You could download.
I hate movies where they sing that musical movies now, but
Yeah.
this one.
How you downloading movies? Don't play it, dog. Don't play it.
No, I give you to it.
You don't have
Hey, tell me.
you don't have to copyright shit.
Voice note. So let it voice note, you know.
Yeah.
Free. It's free. It's free. It's called free.
The song.
Hey, yeah. No. Me and what is this guy's name? Jay. Me, Jay, and
Let me see this. Let me see if I can share this shit.
my little soda pop, in my soda pop, my little soda pop. You can't read this message. It's very
Yeah, I've said this.
explicit.
I've said this. Do not send anything that's explicit because we cannot see it.
What is this now?
If we cannot see it, nobody can see it. We can allow you to like do something, but we can't.
What is this? Something crazy you never said in a live chat? Oh, yes. Wanna hear it?
You wanna hear?
If it's not explicit, because it's
Why?
not gonna show.
Don't say anything explicit.
Your my soda pop, my little soda pop. I'll play music in every performance.
We came from
The last song Is it the Naja boys or what Raja boys? They performed at the stadium, bro.
Bon. Weapons. Yeah, I'm not sure about weapons. Is it weapons like the horror movie weapons?
Weapons, the horror movie. That movie is fire.
Ah, I knew you was gonna say it's fire.
Damn it! Watched that movie, dog, and I was like, yeah.
Dude, you always say these like mid movies are fire.
Ah,
Right?
look
That's
at
a
this
mid
nigga. This nigga
movie.
says
bit.
weapons is mid. The movie is
It's
not
mid, bro.
bruh.
That
The
shit is
storyline
mid.
is nice. The way that they put everybody's perspective.
It's
Nice.
mid, bro. Like, I felt like it was mid.
So when you are like, oh, the kids have vanished.
You know
but
why?
There's one kid there.
You know why I
And you're
felt
like,
like it's mid?
it's mid.
You know why I felt like it's mid?
Because you are not
it was.
scared.
Yeah, I
mean,
was not
come
scared.
on, dog.
It wasn't scary. So
I mean, I know how a movie is
if
scary.
it's not
these days.
scary, I'm not gonna be like, yeah.
Though, I want to teach you something. Don't, if it says horror movie, don't watch it expecting to be scared.
I'm expecting
Go
it.
in with the mindset that okay, it's a thriller. I'm gonna watch a thriller. Because now horror movies.
Why would
are
I
now-
go for a thriller? If I want a
horror
thriller, I will
movies
go
now
for a
are
thriller.
just thrillers. They are no longer horror movies. They're just thrillers.
Do you know the part that I hate about like right now? Like movies after 2017, they're all influenced by like some organizations and bullshit that's been happening in this industry, especially with the Me Too
Why bosses?
Me
Bosses
Too
were fire.
movement. Bosses is out.
Why
Got to go
bosses?
see you guys soon. Yeah, man. If you are subscribed,
Global.
bosses, if you're subscribed, then yeah, you will see us
You're
again.
gonna read. Go and study,
And
boss. Go and study.
go and study.
I hope you're
Go and
going
do
to
your
study.
stuff. Hey man, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that.
What? I'm just burning something.
Yeah, but yeah. If you're gonna study, go and study, and good luck on your exam, bro.
You got in a fight today. I know you're always.
Smith
No,
Smith
you don't
is
even
full of
know.
drama, bro.
Ah,
Smith
Smith
is
why did you get into a fight?
Smith is a dramatic person. Smith,
Jaden Smith.
please do subscribe, man. I wanna hear all your drama, bro. I really do. I wanna hear your drama every day. If I go live every day from now on up until
You're busy
I
with the
stop,
Africans now.
then yeah, I wanna hear all that shit. Come on, still.
Tell us, why were you in a fight? Who said what to who? Who kissed who? Who stole whose
I
girlfriend?
did sub. Thanks, man. If you have anything that is like somehow,
Tell us the
what?
story. We wanna hear the story. Cap. We don't wanna believe you now. But tell us anyway.
Nah, bro, he's speaking in Afrikaans, some fun. You do. Most people who speak in Afrikaans, bro. And he's from Cape Town. You said he's from Cape Town.
Ah,
He's got that violence in his blood. Nigga. He's got that violence. He's got that.
Noor's people.
Yeah, he's got that shit in him.
Bro hit me in the face. Why would somebody just randomly come up to you
And hit you in the face, bro. Unless you did something. I'm always blaming people, man. I'm a blamer. I'm a blame. What did you do?
Yeah, I mean, nothing starts out of nowhere.
I'm always gonna be like, what did you do? Even with my son, if I have a son or a daughter, I'm gonna be like, yeah, I get it, but what did you do? What did you do?
You do nothing.
He started it. What did you do? Why would somebody do that to you? What did you do?
Huh?
What did you do?
You did something.
Yeah, the hair is crazy. I was 5 hours out school. And then what happened?
Somebody was like, you're 5 hours out of school.
Outside class. So this person like hit you in the face because you were outside classroom for 5 hours? Why are you
Why
outside
were
the
you outside
classroom for five
classroom for
hours,
5 hours, dog?
bro? Like if you go to school, people
Supposed to be in
expect
the
you to
class.
be in the class. So why are you not in the class? Like we're not even doing a whole bunch of bullshit, and she's getting more traction. She's not doing anything, bro. Like look at this.
Niggas, say hi. Where did
And
you
they make
live?
and they probably contributing
Look at
like,
this. Look at the drooling ass emojis.
bruh,
Yeah, niggas is thirsty.
it's crazy.
Need women. If you get a woman,
On the stream,
or we just make her a page.
bro,
Part of the whole song.
nose was broken when I was done with him. This guy is violent.
Bruh,
Violent.
it's too much.
But I get you, bro. Like I get you.
Maka you skip. Oh, so can I eat just Timothy when he hit you just because you're outside?
For 5 hours, man.
Damn.
You go to school and skip for 5 hours. Why would you do that? Why would you be out of class for 5 hours? What are you doing at school for 5 hours out of the class? Ah, get some food.
You was just chilling with the homie.
How are you gonna be out of the class for 5 hours? And then when you come back, this guy comes to you and
I
just
told you it was Cap and Smith, right?
punches you in the
Smith, man.
face. Punches you in the face.
Smith is always capping. That's why I don't believe nothing he says. It's Cap.
Tell us another cap, bro. Like you are good with caps, bro. He's gonna tell.
My friends no Cap. Okay, you were capping about
Bro,
the fight.
Smith, we are from the free state, man. We can
5
sense
hours.
we can sense cap from a
The
mile
5
away.
hours you were not capping. You're just capping about the fight.
Sure, ulimale. We can sense cap from a mile away, bro. We can sense that shit like, yo, like we have senses, bro.
Spidey sense. We have
Spidey
Cap
senses.
sense.
Bruh.
Cap sense. He sensed the Cap.
And the fact that we lived on this earth for 100 years, we can smell cap from a mile away, bro.
Cap ingredient.
My God, this guy is capping. No, I'm not. I'm telling you guys, this is what happened. No, you capping. Capping, bro. We know you're capping.
Jeffrey Epstein doesn't exist. Now it doesn't exist.
It's been there, bro. It's been there.
They went public.
Remember what happened? Do you remember what happened? Trump was supposed to release the files, right? Good night. And then Trump realized that his name is actually inside those files. And then he was like, "No, they don't exist. There's no such."
There was a video where they asked Jeffrey Epstein, were you ever in the presence of Donald Trump with a minor? And he was like, I plead the fifth. He pleaded so many things, dog.
Yeah. Why? Why are you pleading the fifth? If you know you're innocent, then everybody's
And now all of
innocent
a
around
sudden,
you.
the Jeffrey Epstein list no longer exists. Hey, boom.
There's no such, bro. There's no such. There's no such, bro.
And what the Attorney General said in an interview, man, the list is here and I'm about to review it right now. And all of a sudden, now it's gone.
One of the whole
Kai, when I'm gonna Smith, he was bored and then he hit the dude. Smith, are you part
so
of
the
a
most
gang?
so the most entertaining thing to do is just to hit people. As
You're talking like you're part of a gang. I'm not Smith. Stop capping, man.
he's probably part
Part
of
of the
it
gang.
or something.
Smith.
Smith, talk to us, man.
Smith the when?
Smith, talk to us,
Smith
man.
the mean. Smith and Weston. Stop doing that.
Chris Breezy.
Oh, just keep us on place. Viva la raza.
Eddie Guerrero. I lie, she cheats, I steal.
I love singing this song when it comes to the Mamacita, look at back, a lot, a cheat, steal, yo,
Let me put this
booyaka, booyaka.
99 films. Let me put that in there. And then
I Smith and Weston, what's our coupon?
this one.
Smith and Weston. Love fighting. Smith loves fighting.
Smith is on another level, bro. Hmm? And then oh, deep in Fanak.
And where were the teachers when this was happening? Eh? Where were the teachers? I mean, you know what I like? You fighting
He's
inside
in
the
Cape.
schoolyard.
He's in the Cape. So
Fighting inside the
are you
schoolyard.
live every day? Not exactly. This is the first time we came back to this live thing. So probably we might come live. We might come to this live thing again tomorrow or someday. I don't know.
And just have a chat. We just chatted. Come back and we just chat. We just chill with you guys and chat. Damn, my back hurts.
you carrying girls around. You wanna cross this river? Yeah, come here in my back. Come here in my back. You're actually carrying girls throughout the rivers and shit. That's why your back hurts. Oh man.
Not Captain Save the World. Let your ass drown.
Nah, this is a villain. This is a true villain. You see a villain? This is a
Bruh.
villain.
I root for the villain in the movie. I mean, I'm rooting for Dr. Doom right now. And the movie's not even out.
You know he's gonna get defeated,
Yeah.
right? He's gonna get defeated for real.
No, he's actually he might kill some Avengers. Who knows?
Which the thing is,
Some.
which Avengers? Because this universe we haven't seen
This
any
universe
Avengers at all.
sucks, dog. There's no Iron Man. There's no Captain America. There's no Black Widow.
Like
Come
there's
on,
nobody in this
nobody here.
universe that we know of. So in this universe, he might kick ass, bro. He might be
It's
he
the
might be
same.
that guy who's gonna kick ass in this one. Yo, y'all still going? Yeah, man. Give us $1 and we'll stop.
Daniel.
Like, why are you asking? Why are you asking like
Go ahead,
lame
bro.
questions,
What time
man?
is it?
Don't
What
ask
time is
lame
it? Come on, man.
questions.
It's
8:02.
6. Nigga.
It's 8 o'clock, man.
Yeah. Smith. 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 Smith.
Daniel, send $1 there,
This
man.
nigga punched the
Send
teacher in the
$1
face.
there and we'll stop streaming, my brother. I'm there, man.
So you punched the teacher in the face.
Dog, I'm supportive. I love that. I love that you're supportive.
It's 6 p.m.
That's coming from the same guy who said I look like Marcel.
Marcelo.
And then he unsubscribed. Oh, that hurts my feelings.
Daniel loves stress. Daniel, you got
That hurts
stress.
my feelings, man. I didn't say you were lame, bro.
Daniel. Man. Go and sleep. Daniel.
Daniel Miller.
Oh. Look at that.
Daniel Miller. That's actually a good title for a song. I would actually make a song out of that. Daniel Miller. Feels like I'ma get bigger. Got my Coke, got my Sprite, now I'm a Miller.
I need a Miller.
Now I need a Miller. Yeah, ne? I should see myself inside you.
God damn.
And I do. Gotta go and
I need a back massage. I need a back massage. Hey, hey.
It's the location, my brother. You're gonna hear noises like this all the time.
It's an earthquake.
You see, we live in the hood, so when it starts getting darker and darker and darker and
Hood
darker
vibes.
and darker,
These are hood vibes.
you get hood like hood vibes, bro. You might hear a gunshot. You might hear a gunshot right now.
Keep out, nigga.
You might hear a gunshot.
Daniel might. I mean, not you, Daniel. Sorry.
Smith.
Smith might
Mr.
hear.
Smith.
Yeah. Smith might hear gunshots.
Mr. Smith.
Mr.
And
Mrs.
Daniel
Smith.
Miller joined us for the chat.
Daniel
Now
Miller.
that's a
That
thriller.
would be a great name.
We
for,
came for the chat. Now we're getting bigger.
A secret
Everybody
agent
talking about
in
that
the
shit.
movie.
That's just. Huh?
What's your
Yeah.
name?
What's your name?
Daniel Miller.
Daniel Miller.
Ah.
Kappa Miller. What's your name? Miller. Daniel Miller. Ha!
No, it'd be better for a villain though.
Nobody messes with Daniel Miller. I am the greatest villain in the world.
You throw a
My
grenade.
name is Daniel Miller. It's like he's gonna say, Sparta, what is your profession? Daniel Miller. Daniel Miller.
I'm out.
Oh, Mr. Smith is out.
Bye.
All right, man.
Cat Miller.
Come back tomorrow, man. Maybe sometime. Maybe tomorrow we'll talk about football and all that.
Mula.
Football
Like the
Miller.
Football Miller.
Oh
Thomas
yeah,
Muller.
like yeah, Thomas Muller. Yeah, that is the greatest
That man
striker.
on top
That is a
He's
great
still
striker.
playing his role, eh?
Yeah, he's still playing. I don't think he retired.
He retired internationally though. He doesn't play for
You said you were going out, bro.
I'm not going. Yeah, Smith is a capper, dog.
We're not even doing anything that's cool, bro. Like, but I guess we're doing something incredible today. That's nice.
I'm staying.
And the moon is out, so it's kind of cool. Let me see if you can see the moon, bro. There goes the moon. Look at that moon, bro. Like, that's nice, bro. I don't want to lie. The moon is out. And Muller's telling us a whole bunch of stuff, man. A whole stuff. A whole bunch of stuff, bro.
The reckoning. The reckoning has come.
I am Iron Man. I am Thomas Miller. I am Daniel Miller.
Daniel Miller, the greatest striker in football.
Yo, Smith. Listen, man. I need your advice. What do you think? Should I
Good vibes.
should I go and make a an album? Should I release an album? One thing. Or should I go and release singles but throughout the year? Which one should I do? Hey, look, hey!
Good vibes.
Damn. Miller's just donated a wow. Miller! damn.
He wants to
God
set you up.
damn.
He wants
Okay,
to
so
set you up.
what was that for? To shut me up.
Shut you
God
up.
damn, bro. I, he really wants me to like end the stream, and I only said $1. So why are you doing this to me?
Rashida Smith.
Make a song about me.
Release singles.
Singles, release singles. Okay,
Rashida,
okay.
Rashida is.
We should
Rashida,
we
you're a
should go for
guy. Why would you
singles,
make a
bro.
song about a guy?
We should
You're a girl.
we should go. We should, but for real, we should make singles. He's right. We should make singles and shit.
Daniel, who don't end.
Don't end. But you
We
okay?
have IG. Yes. We got Instagram. It's great.
We're everywhere, bro. We everywhere. KEVIIN99, and I'm Yozu's almost everywhere, bro. So
Nigga, there's an underscore with 99.
no, just search, just make yourself
will
a
see my
favor
face.
and search for um
My face is there.
KEVIIN99. That's it.
My
Just do
face
that.
is there.
You'll find him, and you'll find me also.
Find me with a Real Madrid t-shirt on, flexing, even if I got defeated.
Here we go again. We're gonna talk about Real Madrid now.
Make a song about. Actually, I want you to make a song about it.
Rashida Smith.
She is a guy.
What can you rhyme Smith with? Smith, locksmith.
I don't know.
Came from the
Smith.
back of my house with Rashida Smith. Doing my thing like I'm locked down with the whole thing. Gotta do it with a locksmith. I can go down and I roast that Smith.
Roast that Smith, roast.
And then I roast my chicken with a little bit of smooth Smith.
Zest.
Zesty.
Zested.
I'll donate again if you roast Smith. Listen to him. Really? Man, let's roast him. You're deep, bro.
Rashida, Liverpool is my team, so I won't be lying. I said I
Listen
love
to him.
Liverpool.
Listen to him rage
Oh,
baiting
roast
us,
the
bro.
Smith.
That's deep.
Roast Smith.
Hey, yo, Rashida, we're throwing you under the bus for this. Like
Rashida
people,
Smith is your mom.
what?
You're using your mom's phone. Bruh.
Daniel, you better subscribe. We're gonna talk tomorrow again. We have to talk tomorrow.
Wait, so it's your phone and you called yourself Rashida Smith.
That is deep, bro. Like somebody saying, "Hey, man, if you roast that guy, I'm
I'ma give you this
gonna give you
money.
money, nigga, if you do that shit."
IG, your views.
Who do you? Do you really want me to like?
KEVIIN99.
Oh man, that's deep, bro.
Is my phone.
Daniel wants me to like
Roast this nigga.
roast
Rashida.
Rashida.
Shredder. He swears. God, I swear.
Bro, the thing is, we don't even know what Rashida Smith looks like. Listen, we don't even know what he looks like. We don't even know
You don't
how.
know anything about
We don't even know anything about him. So how are we gonna roast him? Yo, Rashida, Rashida Smith, your name is so bad, bro. Your name is really bad. Name choices bad.
That's his mom's name, dog.
That's his That's his what? His mom's name? Okay.
She gave
That
you
is
the phone.
very bad.
I said her from D. Rashida loves that one.
uh, oh man, that is deep as hell, bro.
Chat miss.
That is deep, bro.
So Rashida.
Oh, so
her mom
he's
is-
Zayden. So that
Oh,
the
Zayden
pers-
Smith. His mom is Rashida Smith.
yeah, the person that is talking is Zayden, and then
Zay Zay.
yeah,
Hey,
Zay
my
Zay.
boy.
All right. Hey Zay, man.
But why? Oh,
All right.
you're using your mom's phone.
Do you remember those times when we had like your mama is so fat?
Yeah, your mama joke stop.
Today in this day and age, you can't do your mama
Huh?
jokes.
Oh, you get canceled.
Nowhere. You can't do any your mama jokes everywhere, bro. Like
Lil
if
Zay. Yeah, Lil Zay. There's an
Lil
article,
Zay.
Lil Zay, right?
Yeah, I think so. I think so.
So it's your phone, but you just call yourself by your mom's name.
Your mom's name, man. I remember this one. Your mama is so old. He was there with Jesus on the first on the first supper. Damn, bro. Your mama is so old. He saw the first sunrise. Your mama jokes were brutal. Fun.
You can't say those things right now.
Yeah, you can't. You can't do that. Zay mate, don't insult.
Shadow, what on? Shadow, what you want?
Where's Shadow? Shadow is back.
Let me take a question now. IG.
Shadow is back. Oh, yeah. My IG is actually here, bro. So it's on the profile, so you can find it there.
My IG is KEVIIN99.
Everybody, drop your IG, bro. Everybody, let's follow each other. Let's go to IG and follow each other, man. Let's talk.
Why insulting? Why insulting each other now? KEVIIN99, you will find me on IG. It's a new IG account, so
Oh, Smith is going. Y'all are deep, bro. Y'all are deep.
Smith and Weston.
Dude, they're like for real. There are people here, bro, that are doing absolutely nothing. Like our chat, we only have 4 people. Look at that.
Never void.
We only have 4 people on our chat, and we only had a donation of like $9, right? There's a person right here. People have donated like a whole lot of money, bro. Like, look at this shit. And she's not even doing anything. She's not doing nothing.
She's just combing her hair.
She's just combing her hair and talking, and she's not doing nothing. Like, do you guys see this? And look at the type of phone that I'm using. Like, this is really bad, bro. This is brokenness on broke.
Cassie vibes.
This is brokenness on
HD.
brokenness. This is brokenness on brokenness. And look at her. She's not doing nothing. Like, she's not doing anything, bro. Look at this. And she's got a whole chat full of people
Thirsty
donating
niggas.
donating a whole lot of money, bro.
Thirsty niggas in there saying, drooling emojis. Hey, you're so
But
hot.
yeah,
You're fine.
we appreciate that shit, bro. Look at that. She a girl, bro. For real, that's what's happening. She a girl, Fetty. So I think we need to like bring up girls into the chat. Maybe we'll get
Get a lot.
maybe we'll get a lot of people coming into the shit, bro.
We'll invite Palisa.
Just to have her in the chat and be like, $100, $200, $300, just for chilling and talking to a girl, bro. Like that would be crazy. That would be crazy.
Shelly.
You want all these girls to come over
Yeah. Come on, you are.
here. This guy.
Shoving.
Daniel, man, we appreciate you, bro.
As you can see, the sun is setting, guys. It's getting darker.
Appreciate you, bro.
And it's time for us to
We appreciate you. We appreciate you.
get the
And there's a
moves
whole
to-
lot of rats because we outside. There's a whole lot of rats that trying to like attack us and shit. Yeah, bro.
giant ass rats the size of
Look at
cats.
that. I'm screenshotting that shit. I'm screenshotting screenshotting that shit, bro. That's nice. Like, bro just gave us 10 rand. That is actually cool, bro. Appreciate that.
Smith is going to change his name. Yeah, man, change that name, though. That's your mom's name.
Use your own
It's a
name,
lot,
bro.
though.
Use your own name.
Come
man.
up with a name then. Lil Zay. I mean, there's
Lil
already a
Zane.
Lil Zay Zay. Lil Zaynak. Lil
Zane.
ZZ.
Zane the Great.
Lil Snack.
Zane the Great. Zane the kid slapper.
Zane the villain. Zane the guy with
The kid slapper.
Lil Zay, they not like us.
They not like us. Yeah, he shut up to the
Champagne
top.
Zay.
He shut up to the top because of that donation. You see that?
Whoop.
But yeah, man, you're gonna find us. Let me drop our Insta.
Champagne Papi Zay.
Let me drop our Insta on the chat. Oh my god. Let me drop our Insta on the chat.
Shadow.
And
Shadow.
couldn't find your IG. I'm gonna drop the
Who's
whole
IG?
thing.
His or mine? Mine's Kevin Hart.
I'm gonna drop it in here, bro. My IG.
Hey, what's up though? Hey, people got me coming on, you mambo.
My IG. I'm not getting mad.
What's that top?
99. I think this one is actually an active one. Yeah, what's yours? Kevin. Mm-hmm. What? That's a whole. You gotta change that, bro.
KEVIIN99 was already taken.
Yeah, get us there, bro. Like I just dropped it on the chats right there, so get it there. Once you followed us, we're gonna follow you back. We're gonna follow you back, and yeah, we're gonna chat on that side.
Chat, we talk, we talk a lot. Because now it's getting late and the Reds, they be out here trying to eat
Yo,
our
bro.
shoes.
The rest that are outside here in Fana, they're
Biggest
so
cats.
big, bro.
Look at that one. Look at that.
That is a huge one, bro.
Big as a cat. Oh, ta-ta-ta.
But yeah, man. Ever since I had this like YouTube channel and yeah, I guess I'm kind of like lazy to like make content or be consistent with it, but I don't know. I kind of appreciate doing these lives and just let it go.
What time is it?
But yeah, I want to see that comment.
I'ma prepare the
I wanna see
cap.
that- I wanna see that comment. There it is. Actually, I could have just. I can't pin it. That's fine. I wanted to pin it, but it's fine. Where's Daniel? He promised to donate again if we did this. So, where are you, bro? Donate. Donate so we can leave. Donate so we can leave, man.
Then you sleeping.
I will pay you $100 if you diss Miller. How are you gonna pay me $100, man? How are you $1,000?
$1,000.
$1,000 is like 18,000 rand. Like, how are you gonna get 18,000 rand?
$1,000. Wow, what do you work, man? What are you wanna?
Nah, he just told us that he's in class. How is he gonna afford $1,000, bro? Like, how are you gonna do that for us, man? That's painful, bro. That's painful. You're playing with us, man. Don't
Play
do
with
that.
money, dog. Don't pull up. Don't pull up on you in the night.
Never void. I see you. I just saw your follow right now,
We
so
gon' pull up
I'm
on
gonna
you,
follow.
niggas
I'm gonna
know
follow
she's
you
cut.
back. I'm gonna follow you
Riding
back.
in a nigga with my pop.
My name is
On my
Zayden.
Chito, I
Followed you
prefer
both.
it.
Okay.
Hey,
So
hey.
I'm gonna follow you back. Never, never. Is it never? Yeah, never, never void.
Sounds like a villain's name, dog. Shouldn't do
You
that.
like villains, bro.
Yeah, man.
You like villains, my brother.
You try root for the villain in the movie, bro.
I gave him.
Like win.
What is he saying? What is he saying? Like, is he saying? No, I thought he was saying like Fanaha. Yeah. I
Never.
don't know. No, I
What?
don't know, bro. I don't know.
Nah, that's not you in the profile picture.
And he's and he
Zayden.
look at him. He likes Childish Gambino Heartbeat. Do you know that song?
I don't know.
You don't even know that song. How do you not know that song, bro? That is a
know that
hit,
song,
bro.
man. Zayden, we know, man. Your name is Zayden, dog. No photos, no nothing.
Bro, I love Childish Gambino. Childish Gambino is my favorite artist, bro. I love Childish Gambino. Shadow, I love Childish Gambino.
He's no longer Childish Gambino.
Baby, you the baddest. Baby,
He's
you
a
the
Childish
baddest
Gambino.
girl. And nah, he's still the same Childish Gambino. He's just not using the whole
Gambino name.
yeah. Lighting. Yeah, can even do that too. But yeah,
So
man.
it's getting late.
It's getting late in here, so what?
What is that? What is what? What is what? What is what?
Yeah, I got him. I followed him back. Never void.
Where is Zayden? What is Zayden?
You didn't follow. You didn't follow us back.
Zayden! Since I was in Chelsea, said he was going to change his name.
I got him. He's gonna do the most. He's gonna do the most. You worried about Zayden. You worried.
That's my homie, yeah!
I'm worried about.
We Liverpool.
I'm worried about
Mula.
Mula said he's gonna give us that cash, that money, that Mula nigga,
Zayden.
and he disappeared on us, man.
IG,
Smith,
dog.
Smith said.
Zayden, follow us on IG.
Smith said he's gonna give us $1,000.
Smith was always capping, man.
$18,000, man. 18,000 rand. How are you gonna get 18,000 rand?
Smith is the cat master. The cat master.
Look at this. Like, there's always somebody like this. There's always somebody like this, bro. Always. Don't even say his name, bro.
Mwah!
Don't even entertain him.
We love you too, bruh. We love you too.
There's always somebody like this. But that's beautiful because we can do this.
We gon' pull up on you niggas, move it.
Yeah, it's good. It's ended. Alright, let's go back.
I'm not cheating.
What is it? It's dark out here. Hey,
It's time to go, people.
hey.
We have to love and leave you.
You know that we like y'all, right? You know that we like y'all, right? So we gotta go, man. We gotta bounce.
I gotta go.
We gotta bounce, man. We gotta
I gotta
bounce.
go.
We gotta bounce. There's a guy in there, Tyler, whoever. Shout out to you, man. Whatever you gotta do.
Yeah, he did say a bad word.
Mm-hmm.
He's
So what are the results, man? Tell the people the results. We have 25.
Tony Brayaga.
We have 25.
Zayden, why do you keep saying your name, bro?
We have 25 people who voted. We asked if September was lit, was meh, was okay, was great. And 36% of you guys said it was meh. 12% said lit, so it wasn't actually good. Wow, my month wasn't good. Wow. And then 32% said it was great. 20% said it was okay. All right. Hey man,
Leave you.
we gotta leave you and say goodbye.
Leave you.
We appreciate you coming through. Let's make connections, man. Let's show each other love.
Deuces.
And we'll see you next time, man. Goodbye. Now let's see how much we have. Let's see how much we made.